Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and if you have a brunch date planned, well, today we are making mimosa. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. Mimosa is a classic cocktail made from two ingredients, orange juice and champagne, and is perfect for brunch. There are a few tricks to making the perfect mimosa. First off, both ingredients need to be cold before using. Secondly, though you can buy your orange juice from your favorite supermarket, it's advisable to juice your own oranges as it's fresh and has no additives. You can keep your oranges in the fridge ahead of time and then juice them when you are ready, and it will be cold when you juice. Or you juice them ahead of time and keep them in the fridge and use when ready. The traditional recipe uses expensive French champagne. However, you can use brut wine, prosecco, or white dry sparkling wine, which are cheaper alternatives. And the measurement for making this classic cocktail is 50-50. 50% of champagne and 50% of orange juice, and you are good to go. So the next time you have a brunch date planned at home, I hope you try out this amazing recipe. Thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time coming across this channel, hi there, please hit the subscription button. It's totally free and you'd enjoy simple recipes like this. Leave a comment down below if you are going to try this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and share with your friends and family. We'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.